In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on your iPhone. Let's get into the method. Open the Settings app first, and then scroll down and choose Display and Brightness from the list. Within here, look in the top Appearance section, and to turn on dark mode, make sure that dark is checked here. You could alternatively set it to automatic, and then set it to change either on a custom schedule or at sunrise and sunset. Remember that some apps will have their own setting for dark mode, so check in the app settings for this. Some apps might follow the device setting though, and change automatically. That's how to turn on dark mode on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.